So next we got dang nature, you scary. Wild animal encounters. Let's see what the wild animals are like around the world. There goes your tire. And I mean, who trained for that? You know, why is there a bull running around? This must be Spain. People are cheering. What is this? Oh my goodness. Ooh. No, the damage. The heck are those? Me too. Oh nah, the duck is savage. Oh my goodness. Why is there a regular bear in Antarctica? No, oh, she's what?
Oh no.
No.
Oh my God. Get out! He sees it. Look at him. Oh my God.
Bro, what are you doing? Wow. Bro. Even I know. I don't even know about horses like that, but do not go behind them. What the heck? Why?
Alrighty, here we go. 1, and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ!
How did he get in that situation?
I think we got a garfish, dude. Be careful. Oh my God! That's a big gator, buddy. That is a big gator.
Yo, whoa. Yo. No, these alligators are crazy. All right, come on. I'm not touching any wild monkey. What the heck? What?
You turned off the heat, right?
All right, yes. Oh, they saw that coming.
Oh.
Yo.
Oh, Jesus
Whoa.
Christ.
Why is
Gotta
he
be careful
laughing?
here.
All right, you're asking him to die. You're asking to die. Oh, why is he so fast? And he fell with it. Bro.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
Dude, you gotta
Get back.
chill. Elephants are nice.
Now, when you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
No, that's gotta be a meme, right? That was too perfect. The heck is that? Man, what's up with all these alligators? Whoa. Oh my gosh. I would never go in the pool again. Actually, that's it. Okay. That's why.
Come on, keep kicking him. I'm so glad I was recording that.
Man, muddy water too.
Got like a big stick or something. Big stick.
Probably another
It's
alligator.
heavy, whatever it is. That is not
Yep.
a stick. Oh my god. That's
What's
not a
up,
stick
bro?
at
Like,
all.
let me know something, man.
Holy sh! Holy sh! Oh my lord, holy moly. Wow, that changes things.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Dude.
Hey!
He's okay. All right. Octopus.
There's an octopus eating a crab!
Wow. Ew. Ew. Oh, that's low key scary.
Holy
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away. I promise I'm not gonna bug you.
Nah,
I'm
this
not gonna
thing's
bug you. I'm
wrong.
going away.
What is
I'm
that?
going away. I'm going
Nah,
away. I'm
nah.
going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away.
What are you even doing in this
I'm going away.
situation?
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
No. Okay.
He could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
Gun's not stopping that motherfucker, man.
I'm walking backwards on the trail back
It's at
to the
least gonna
camp.
get a few bites.
I'm walking down the trail, and Mom and two cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards. And Mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking
Are
at
these
least
people alive
as
after these
fast as I
videos?
am.
Like, there's no way. Hey, dolphin.
Tam leży, widzisz?
Nó còn bám miệng đấy nhá. Ôi.
Cho cái xin anh
What? What? What just what?
You. Oh.
What are you doing here, bro? Like, this is actually PMO.
No! Get the away! Go away! Go away! No!
What is that? Oh, nah.
No!
What is that move? I've never
You,
seen that
dude.
before.
Holy. Yeah, get the away from me.
There you go. Wow. That was actually pretty entertaining. What the heck? Man, I've never seen anything like these videos. Alligators were definitely a top one of the most featured ones, so gotta be careful with those alligators. Shout out Phil Army, that was a W video. All right. What else we got?